The song, relatively unknown in China, has racked up more than 10 million views on YouTube in little more than a month. The 35-year-old singer, who is considered a bit of a has-been on the Chinese scene, explained the song's origin.
I had a dream that was really interesting. There was a farm with a load of animals having a meeting there, and some were keeping things orderly, some were grumbling. Then, more or less, there was this hen who said something that left a deep impression on me. She said, "Who stole my chuami?" I was thinking, what's a chuami? I didn't understand. Then after I woke up, I was reflecting on the whole dream and thought, this is so interesting, so entertaining, including the fact that each of these animals all had their own roles, personalities, and names. There were also some storylines.
With YouTube blocked in China, producers still have no idea who uploaded the song and admit the international popularity initially left them stunned. And while Wang realizes not all those watching the video truly appreciate the innovative nature of barnyard songs cut to a beat, she hopes it will make people happy.
There are also some people who mock us, just like some in our Chinese audience. People's thinking is all more or less the same. They think this is a song which, when you listen to it, seems to have no meaning. But sometimes different songs have different kinds of entertainment effects. And I think for this kind of song, it can relieve pressure, make people happy, a kind of simple happiness. It's continuously simplifying. Different works have different kinds of values, and with this song, its value is that it gives you simplicity. Just simple happiness. All you have to do is consume it. You don't need to think too much.